Hey everyone! Today, we're going to be diving deep into the guts of the Pioneer TS-WX1210A Subwoofer. We'll be taking this powerhouse apart, piece by piece, to show you just what makes it deliver that deep resonating bass. From the speaker to the amp, plus we will be giving you an AV Gear Shop only look at the inside construction of the subwoofer box itself. You're in for a detailed look at this high quality, proven performer subwoofer. If you're new to the channel, please remember you can purchase this subwoofer and other car subwoofers in Canada at avgearshop.com. Now let's hop in. To take the sub apart, I started by loosening the screws for the amplifier section. I don't immediately remove it because the speaker terminals are connected and they are easier to access once the woofer is loosened. Next, I will remove all of the screws for the speaker. Just from the quality of the screws, you can already tell that Pioneer has put some thought into this design. Good quality screws go a long way in preventing unnecessary vibrations. In case you're not too familiar with this subwoofer, it has a power handling of 350 watts nominal. It has a bass boost frequency of 40 Hz to 100 Hz, and it comes with a fully covered steel mesh grille. Take a look at this, a professionally strong built basket and a serious 33.5 ounce magnet. This isn't just about looks. This powerful structure and magnet size are key to delivering that deep, punchy bass you would come to expect. Now, with the woofer removed, you can see it's much easier to access the digital amplifier. This little powerhouse, Class D amplifier, is packed with advanced technology. It delivers 300 watts, and when it's paired with the low frequency filter, it ensures every beat and note hits as it should be felt. Once the amplifier was out, I must say we were really impressed by the precise layout of each component on the PCB. There were clearly no corners cut in its design. Now for something that's rarely seen. Let us take you inside the subwoofer box to show you how well this unit is constructed. Every joint is meticulously sealed with silicone, adding durability and ensuring no unwanted air leaks. Inside the Pioneer 1210A box, every detail speaks to durability and precision. Each wooden panel is reinforced with additional glued blocks. This ensures rock-solid construction that won't separate, even under the most intense bass vibrations. This extra layer of craftsmanship guarantees a subwoofer box that should continue to deliver consistency over time. And check this out, for added measure, a fabric sound dampener. This helps to keep the sound clear and prevents any unnecessary rattling inside the box. The front panel is uniquely designed. It is made of two layers. The front layer is routed so the woofer sits flush. Then inside the box there's a 3/8-inch MDF layer that is added. This ensures that the fastening screws hold very tightly. So after taking this in-depth look at the Pioneer TS-WX1210A, it's clear this subwoofer delivers exceptional value. With its solid build quality, thoughtful design, and its affordable price point, it's a no-brainer for anyone looking to upgrade their car system. We're giving this subwoofer a well-deserved 5-star rating. It's proof you don't have to break the bank for top-tier performance.